So we have two columns, review and the sentiment. So 25,000 positive and 25,000 negative, balanced data. So pre-processing of text, IMDB review dot is equal to IMDB dot str dot replace. What is that thing? R single quote. S also is there, na? /w /s /w /s plus s plus comma quotes. IMDB review dot review is equal to IMDB review dot str dot lower. We'll do that. Let me check one by one. Dot head. So numbers also are there, right? Dot review is equal to single quotes square bracket 0 to 9 plus IMDB review dot review. Okay, no special characters, nothing. Numbers are also not there. We have made it to lower. Word underscore tokenize on the function. There is no stop words here, right? From NLTK dot corpus, stop underscore words is equal to set dot words from NLTK IMDB underscore words is equal to IMDB review dot review word underscore tokenize. IMDB underscore words, if W not in, so IMDB words. So they are in individual lists. Now we have to combine them all into one single list. From NLTK dot probability frequency distribution. IMDB underscore words is equal to flatten IMDB underscore words. Frequency is equal to freakdist IMDB underscore unashable type series. Okay. IMDB underscore words is equal to IMDB underscore words dot to underscore list. Dot to underscore list is there. Let me just do the word tokenize again. Converting the series to list, then we'll fact. IMDB underscore fake, most common 50. We have this BR. I don't understand what this BR is, so we have to delete it. Okay, in square brackets we have to give stopwords dot extend. We will remove set. Okay, we'll put it as set only. If not in, so you can just remove those words which you don't want. Add a created list here below that only. BR is coming top now, so we are removing that BR. You can give a list here in square brackets. Whatever words you find which are not related, you can add to that list. Within the square brackets, you can add. So if I go down, now you can see BR is not there. Movie, film, unlike, good, timely, really, get. So no other words which are need to be. So we are removing only the word BR. We have to do the list here. See, if it is coming at the end of the most common list, it is not going to affect. If it is coming in the top of the most common list, then it is going to come in your word cloud. Most common 50 I have done. Yeah. So when you get a string byte list thing, dot apply and the function. Expected string or bytes like object, na? Dot apply function. Because this is in data frame, na? It's not a complete list. So if you apply, it will go, it iterate through each row of the data frame. Goes through each row of the data frame. If you're done with it, create word cloud and see if there are any words which are coming, which we need to delete again. Word cloud is equal to, width is equal to, height is equal to, dot generate IMDB. We have to do join, right? IMDB underscore words 2 is equal to dot map join, right? Okay. Inverted commas dot join IMDB words 2. Any words you see in the special characters? P dot figure is equal to in plt dot im show plt dot show. Okay, no words which are not related, all of them are related. No special characters. Got it, all of you? The word cloud. sklearn dot feature extraction dot text tf-idf vectorizer. tf-idf is equal to tf-idf vectorizer max underscore features. So we have 50,000 rows, right? So we give 300 features. That is your choice. You want probabilities, you use tf-idf. You want just for counts, you use count vectorizer. You want probabilities, use, see, you have to decide based on your requirement. So the problem is with stop words. Huh? The stop underscore words I have used. pd dot data frame x underscore tf to array. So still got br. Review we have not reviewed. We have removed it from words is coming properly, we'll go with 2 words. BR is not coming again when we run it the second time. But n-gram range we can't do with words because words are individual, right? So we can do one thing. We can give n-gram range here 2, and here we'll give review dot review. BR first, BR would say BR. So we are writing BR actually. And review dot review as type string review for the data. See, for diagrams, we have to do it in a different way. So analyzer is equal to word, n-gram is 1, 2. So analyzer is equal to word, n-gram range is equal to 1, 2. It's not coming 2 words. Why? Input underscore transform x is to underscore list is not different. Stop underscore words is equal to none. See if there are any solutions for this. I don't see empty vocabulary. Token pattern somebody is suggesting.
Yeah, in our classes, guys, is the case. One class I keep everything. The guys are not happening. Why you call me then? 4 rating, 2 rating, 8 rating. You say keep on saying the class are not happening. So when I come here, no one is here. Why you didn't come yesterday? Why you didn't come?
Attending online.
You are there.
Some 5 people are attending online.
How many are attending online, sir?
5. 1 second, I will show you.
हाँ हल्लू जा रहे स्लो जा रहे बोल के बोलते फिर पास में इधर आएगा नहीं देखते कोई भी अनम्यूट होता है
हाँ
ये why you guys are online man Gautam Rahul
Sir, I'm not feeling well. That's what I'm in home right now. I mean, like,
what
come afternoon if I feel better. I'm not feeling well.
will I know did you tell me
No, sir. Sorry.
how many are BTech here you all are BTech no your release and opening yesterday isn't it the salary bracket will be same 6 to 7 yeah everyone is same I have clearly mentioned the same they really find that you are to go they might increase you but if you are really good they might touch the you and might be experience is not relevant experience any experience right any experience is until and unless you are put it that is an open interview for now so the online guys you are able to hear
Yeah.
Any graduate, please apply to that opening. His interview will be very easy, okay? Very difficult it seems.
It is stuck with SVM. No, it is building, okay. SVM failed to convert. You can try build individual models faster.